Deep in the rainforests of New Guinea, nature is throwing the wildest fashion show you have never seen. Meet the birds of paradise, the supermodels of the sky. With feathers that shimmer like rainbows and dance moves that put TikTokers to shame. Some puff up like balloons, others turn into living fans, all just to impress a picky lady. No likes, no mate. One wrong step and it is game over in the jungle love game. More than 40 species, each more fabulous than the last, proving one thing in nature: it pays to be extra. Forget the catwalk, this is the birdwalk, and it has been running for millions of years. Birds of Paradise, nature's original influencers. Follow for more mind-blowing wildlife stories.